Don't watch this, Mom. I'm getting a tattoo.
I'm currently on the way to go get a tattoo. And not just a regular tattoo either. It's gonna be a matching tattoo with one of my childhood best friends. More recently, we have rekindled our friendship, kind of going down memory lane. And when we were younger, we were just like obsessed with everything Kaylani. We were obsessed with everything Kaylani, like watched all Kaylani's music videos, singing the songs, practicing the dances, everything. So it was just perfect when Kaylani went on tour and finally came to our area. Perfect timing. They haven't came to Norfolk in years and we both ended up going. And it was just such a cool moment. And then Kaylani decides to drop tattoo designs based off of their Crash album. We immediately knew that we had to get matching tattoos. So that is what I'm on the way to go do now. The placement is the placement I never thought I would do, and the color is the color that I never thought I would do either, but we shall see. I'm excited. This is gonna be new and fun.
We're gonna match your tattoos. I kind of want to surprise her. Oh, it's okay.
We're in it.
Exactly. Sparky. Working with Cam was such a vibe. She was so patient and intentional. I literally felt like that orangutan telling that guy what to do with the slime, and she was helping me decide which color I wanted. But she was very efficient too. Like, it only took 15 to 20 minutes for each of our tats, and it was really cool chatting with her. She even put me onto the farmer's market that I end up going to in my next video.
Why not? Girls, just start that thing because you never know where it'll take you. And I'm just like, you never know. It changes people's lives, like when you support them.
Right. I guess. Wait a minute. Because they eat for the money. So.
Did you record your whole tattoo?
Yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah.
It was only 20 minutes.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. It was fast.
I'm like all up in the camera, like. To commit and let's
to
do
something,
longer.
Something really big. Perfect. Thank you. We tied it up. Period. So I got a tattoo. We got the tattoos, you guys. They look so freaking good. We have to wait to get like good pictures once they're healed and everything, and once we can get our plastic off, but they look so good. I'm so happy I got this. This is honestly one of the coolest tattoos I have. I've been wanting color and I've been wanting kind of like a spicy placement. Yeah, I know my mom is gonna flip. I got a hand tattoo, but I feel like I got it in a place that's a good like peekaboo type of tattoo. So I hope y'all know that I'm for real when I say, Mom, do not watch this. Like, she literally flips out anytime I get a tattoo. I literally told my friend, also do not mind the face mask, I'm getting my skincare on, but I literally told my friend that I was getting this tattoo, and their initial text was this, that my mom was gonna whoop me. And then once I finally told my mom later in the day, this was her reaction. So I just think it's so funny. My mom's reaction to me getting new tattoos is so funny. I want to go treat myself to this new like strawberry Baja Blast drink at Taco Bell, so let's go get that. Let's go get this order. Everybody want to come to Taco Bell when I want to come to Taco Bell. Baja Blast Green Freeze. Ooh, that's what I'm gonna get. I'm excited. You guys, like, I've just had so many epiphanies and just trying to figure out like where I fit in life and where I'm happiest, and just like with content and stuff too. I feel kind of confused with content, so I feel like me making this video is kind of like just being open and vulnerable with you guys and just being like, look, this is a random ass video and I just want to see how it does, see who resonates, see how I can make it creative still. I don't know, I'm just really confused with what I want to do with my channel, and I don't know. I'm just trying to reevaluate and see like what can I do on my part so that I do feel like I'm doing good, but at the same time it's just like, why do I feel like I'm not doing good, you know?
Hi, welcome to Taco Bell. Do you have a 4-digit code to earn rewards points?
No.
What can I get for you?
I have a mobile order pickup.
Sure. What's the name for the order?
Avaly.
Does the order look correct on the screen?
Yes.
Thank you. Please pull ahead.
Okay. AI getting smart, y'all. Like, AI is genuinely getting smart. Like, AI understood everything I just said just then. But I don't know if I'm comparing myself. If I could genuinely work harder, be more creative, be more innovative, and be where I want to be, or am I just gonna have to accept the fact that the algorithm is just unfavorable for me and it's just gonna be a slow growth? Like, I don't know. I don't want to accept that though. So that's why I'm trying to constantly change and see what works. So we're gonna put out this random ass video of me getting a tattoo that I did not tell my mom about before. So if you are watching this, Mom, I'm sorry I didn't tell you, but I'll send the picture to you and I'm sure you'll like it. It's a cute color and it's in a nice placement, so don't be mad at me, Mom, please. Yes. Thank you. Okay. Thank you, you too. I love when pretty girls call me pretty. Like, that is so freaking sweet. I think it could be a good time to unwrap it. It's been a few hours and I'll clean it. This is what it looks like. It says next to you.
Can I see? I'm not gonna
Don't tell, okay?
She was telling me all her secrets.
I'm very pleased with this. It's very cute. It's very subtle and
What does that say?
next to you. It's the name of a song.
I'm next to you.
Yeah, I'm really happy with this, and I don't know, I'm just hoping that things are starting to look up for me from now on. I'm feeling a little better. I feel like I'm out of the little rut that I had going on. Kenzie, you in the background being distracted, but I'm just hoping that things are looking up for me and getting better. I know I was in a little rut when it came to content, but I'm trying new things and hoping that, you know, I get some clarity and some answers. So I'm about to kick y'all out. I don't know, I'm just trying to think outside the box when it comes to opportunities and just like what I do with my life and see like how I can be inspired. I think that's gonna start with thinking outside the box, doing stuff for the plot, getting better at being alone, and just being creative. So yeah, I'm currently filming a like moving / room makeover video, so that video will be coming out next. I have a lot more fun videos coming, so I hope that I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you. Bye.
Peace out. Peace out.
Shaka.
Shocky, sucky. I'm gonna tell your mom. I was this kid.
Don't be a snitch, bro.
I'm not a snitch. I was this kid.
Okay.
Seriously, just subscribe. Video every Saturday @11 de la mañana.